Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A54 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app. So let's just first launch the Gmail application, and after that tap here to the right upper corner. Now we can see here that we are logged in into Gmail account, and to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app we should log out from Gmail account in Google account settings. So to do that we should click here to manage accounts on this device, and after that click here to this account. Then tap on the right upper corner and click to remove account. After that tap remove account again, and now we can see that we're in Google account settings. We'll just log out from Gmail app account. So let's just go back to the application, and now we can see that we just log out also from Gmail account in our Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.